It seems right now that she was, to say the least, negligent. But there are bigger persons behind this whole thing. And names are coming out already. Lumalabas, ngayon pa lang lumalabas sa palalim ng palalim ito. And both sides are firing missiles at each other. Para sa akin, wala pang concrete na preba na talagang involved yung mga RCBC officials. I doubt if we're close to wrapping up the inquiry. A lot of senators still have a lot of questions. It still is a long ways off before we finish the trail from that started from New York to RCBC Jupiter, and then to William Go's account, and then to PhilRem, then back to RCBC, and then back to PhilRem, and then to the casino.